Hi, Steve Johnson, General Manager of CutQuick, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about air cleaners. Incredibly important part of any internal combustion engine of any type, it's really important that they be in good shape, that they be changed out on a regular basis, so that you get the most out of your engine, whether it be in a CutQuick or any other machine. You've seen a lot of videos online. If you go to YouTube, you can see different videos of where people put small amounts of dust and dirt into an engine, and it doesn't take much, and it can be over very quickly. Diesel engines with their high combustion are even more prone to having problems with this. When we have an engine that we are seeking warranty on, for one of our customers, one of the very first things that the Yanmar reps are going to do when they take a look at it is the amount of dust that's in the air intake tract. If it's coated with dust, your chances of a warranty just got away from you. Really, they did, and we can't blame them. I wanted to use this as a little example, if I could. This is just your standard regular teaspoon. And I've got it filled with just some sandy dirt that came from outside the plant here. I'm going to pour this, but this is more than enough to destroy your brand new engine. And a good diesel engine now can run getting pretty close to or more than $10,000. So it's worth taking care of this. We've gotten in machines. This came off of a machine that did require a new engine, and I don't know how well you can see it, but there's portions of the paper element that are just plain gone. They're not there anymore, and what is there is packed full of dirt, mud, other types of debris, and this engine, as I mentioned, didn't survive, and this customer had to spend that money to get a new engine. Here's the comparison. This is what the brand new equivalent of that looks like. So not a very expensive part compared to a $10,000 engine. A couple other things to think about when it comes to air filters. It's okay, to tap them to get some of the dirt out of them and stuff like that if you've got it off for a reason. You want to make sure you put it back on properly. You want to make sure that you use all the O-rings and seals that are necessary, so you do have a good tight seal, and that all the air that's entering your engine does have to go through the air filter. But one practice that's common that really does a lot of damage to air filters is using compressed air to blow them out. Basically, a paper element like this one does its job by having a bunch of fibers and whiskers that trap the dirt. When you blast on them with the compressed air, you mat all those fingers down, and they don't do near as good a job. They don't let as much air through, and they also don't trap as much dirt. So we don't want to do that if we can avoid it. So just one of the things that is really, really mandatory, we talked about belts, we've talked about blades, but keeping a clean air filter is very, very important. So if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us at 800-248-5945, or you can reach us on the web at www.cutquick.com. Thanks so much. Talk to you again soon. Bye.